This is my favorite tool that I use on a daily basis. This is my Leatherman Skeletool CX. It's not only my favorite Leatherman, it's my favorite pocket knife, and it's just my favorite screwdriver to use because I take it with me everywhere, all the time. But today I'm retiring this. And the reason for that is because in this box I have a new one, and it's blue. And I like blue. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, is it ever blue? Nocturnal is the official color. I like it. It's cool. Yep. That's a real nice color. Oof. Nice and smooth. That's really smooth for a Skeletool. My other one took quite a while to work in to get that nice. No problem. Oh, I just loved. Oof, that's a little stiff there. Yep. Ooh, I'm gonna have to play with this one a bit. Oh, I can't get that one open. The other one, by contrast, I play with it so much, it's just a lot easier. This one, that's not very one-hand friendly quite yet. Gonna have to break that in. Real nice. See how loosey-goosey this one is after plenty of use. New one's a little stiff, but a little oily. Well, let's get to work. It's a really nice color. I really like it. So I guess this is kind of the first look on YouTube of the new Nocturnal color Skeletool CX. And I'm just going to go ahead and say it's the best color you can get right now. What a handy dandy little unit that is. Very cool. Let's go.